So what we have here is the helium-3 vacuum probe. So what we have here is the main absorption pump. This is what allows you to get the low temperatures in the system. This component here is the mini absorption pump. This is what sucks up the exchange gas in the IBC when you're running the system. This here is the cone seal, which matches up to the vacuum can here, and that's what makes the low temperature vacuum seal in the saddle section of the probe. This here is the helium-3 pot. This is where we liquefy the helium-3, which is then used to cool the sample. The sample is mounted on the underside of the helium-3 pot here. So this needs to be taken off to change your sample.